Tired of guessing which Xero plan fits your business? Stop overpaying. I will show you exactly how to buy the right subscription in 5 minutes. First, log into your Xero account. Then follow these 12 simple steps to choose and purchase your plan. All right, start by logging into your Xero account. This is the same email and password you use every time. Just head to the login page and sign in. Nothing tricky here. Once you are logged in, locate your organization name in the top left corner of the dashboard. Click on it. This opens a drop-down menu where you can manage your settings. Now, from that menu, select Subscription and Billing. This is where all the account and payment details live. You want this page. So here you are on the Subscription and Billing page. Look for the section that shows your current organization subscription. It might say something like a trial period or an existing plan. Just find that block of information. You will see a button that says Buy Now. Go ahead and click it. This is going to start the purchase process, so you are officially moving forward. Now choose the plan that fits your needs. This is the big decision. Xero usually offers a few tiers, like a starter plan, a growing plan, and an established plan. Take a second to think about how many invoices you send, how many bills you pay, and how many users need access. The pricing page explains what each plan includes, so read through those features. Do not rush this part. Pick the one that matches where your business is right now, not where you hope to be in 3 years. You can always upgrade later. Carefully review the subscription details before proceeding. You will see the plan name, the billing cycle, and the total cost. Make sure it says monthly or annual, because annual usually saves you money. Check the start date too. If everything looks right, move forward. Now fill in your billing information. This is where you enter your payment details. Put in your credit card number, the expiration date, and the security code. Also, add your billing address. Make sure this matches the address your bank has on file, or the payment might get declined. Take your time here. One wrong digit and the system will kick it back. Double-check the order summary for any errors. You will see the plan, the price, and the billing cycle all summarized in one spot. Look at the total amount. Is it what you expected? Great. Finally, confirm and complete your purchase. Click the final button and the system will process your payment. This might take a moment to process. And there you go. You now have an active Xero subscription. And that is it. You went from confused and overwhelmed to confidently selecting and buying the right plan in just a few minutes. No more guessing, no more overpaying. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more straightforward business tutorials. I will see you in the next one.